All right, we're here now in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Just want to go ahead and bring you some video feed from a restaurant that we're at right now, and want to go ahead and show you here. It says here that they're open now, and this is about 9 a.m. in the morning. We're going to try and sample some of the Thai cuisine right now, and we're going to see how it is and how healthy it is. So that's what we'll do today, and we want to go ahead and show you how it is here in the country of Thailand. Now, I want to go ahead and show you here the beautiful entrance of the area here. It's beautiful to see, and certainly it is a experience to behold. So, I want to go ahead and show you some of the footage of that right here at this restaurant, the Café and Bistro, here at this beautiful Thai Chiang Mai restaurant. Chiang Mai, Thailand is known for its wonderful, diverse, exotic culture and the hometown feel that the smaller county the country has in this town here north of Bangkok. Now we're going to go inside the restaurant right now, and we're going to go ahead and see how that is. Hopefully I can wear my shoes in here. I believe I can. And we're going to go ahead and just see how that is in the store. We're going to look at the restaurant at the back part now here in a moment, and we're going to go ahead and see how that is. All right, going to join the group here and see how that is. Hopefully it is an experience also to see. All right, I'm going to go ahead now and go through this area here, and it's beautiful in its decor for sure. I want to go ahead and show you, and I'm going to bring you into the back area here in a moment, and we're going to show you that as well. Hopefully you will join us for the rest of this broadcast, and we're going to go and show you how it is in this beautiful place. All right, gonna eat some Khao Soi right now. See how it is. Wow. Little lemon, extra lime, some salads, some, what is this again?
Green mustard.
Green mustard.
It's fermented.
Crispy noodles. And the, is it egg noodle? Egg noodle?
Yeah.
The sausage flavor. Delicious. Thank you. All right, we're here at the end of our restaurant meal here in Chiang Mai. We enjoyed the meal so much. It was so delicious. We ate Khao Soi and some yellow and green bean Thai prepared salad. And I want to go ahead and say hello to everyone here at the end of our trip to Chiang Mai, Thailand, Metang, to meet her wonderful niece in this wonderful land.